In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print mailing labels from Google Sheets. We'll start right inside your Google Sheet that already contains your addresses. Before doing anything else, make sure the very first row of your sheet is set up with clear, consistent headers. Typical headers you'll want are name, address, city, state, and zip. Keep them simple, avoid extra spaces or punctuation in the header names. And place each piece of information in its own column. This makes the merge process smooth and helps the tool recognize your data accurately. Next, we'll add the tool that turns your spreadsheet into printable labels. At the top, click Extensions, then Add-ons and choose Get Add-ons. In the search bar, type Label Maker. Select the Label Maker app you find there and follow the on-screen prompts to install it. Once it's installed, return to the Extensions menu, find the new tool in the list, and click Create Labels to open the setup window. You'll begin by selecting a label template that matches the sheets you'll be printing on. Choose your label brand and the exact product code printed on your label packaging. Picking the correct code is important because it defines the label size and layout so everything lines up perfectly on the page. Now it's time to design and merge your data. In the editor, map your spreadsheet columns to the label layout. Use the Add Merge Fields drop-down to insert fields like name, address, city, state, and zip directly into the label preview. Arrange them in the order you want to appear on the label. Typically with the name on the first line, the street address on the next line. And then city, state, and zip together on the final line. You can add commas and line breaks in the editor, so the text looks exactly how you want it to print. If you want your labels to look a certain way, adjust the font, size, and alignment in the editor. Keep the text legible and avoid very large fonts that could push content outside the label boundaries. When your layout looks good, click the Create Labels button. Then click Open Document to view the generated labels in a new Google Docs file. From there, go to File and select Print. In the Print dialog, set margins to none and scale to 100% or default. These settings help ensure everything aligns correctly with your physical label sheets. That's it. Thanks for watching.